Hey, you got Dean with RV Scene with Janet and Dean. And I've been telling you, we do some things to take care of our rig that people don't know about. And you get to see me, I'm short. I gotta work real hard to get up to this tall cabinet and this grand design above. But these are homemade. And they are not fun, but they are fun noodles. How many of you have got on the road with your beautiful fridge, whether yours is 12 volt or not? That's locked, that's done. Now that other little piece up there, my wife is asking me, that is what I put in between the doors when the fridge is off, because I want to keep the doors open. Never shut your fridge off and let it sit for 2 weeks. It's nasty, okay? Well, we've got our fridge down to temperature right now, fully loaded, okay? What happens when you ride down the road is these doors swing wide open, the drawers swing wide open, they hit the floor and break, and all your food sits there and it gets cracked. We don't want that. Again, grand design. None of these RVs have a grand design. So we've got what's now called man design. Put some Velcro on this piece of track that came with this one. It fits on the door like that. Well, that sounds really good. But if I pull hard enough, and it has happened already, that thing popped off. So what do? Right here is the way to go. I find the top of the hinge has got a hole in it where I can lay this little strap and secure these, and you won't regret it because it sits across the fridge. Don't let it mark it up, right? And you can secure your doors. And that's what I'm all about. I do not want my RV to be full of food when we get to our destination and my wife is upset and in tears because we've got 2 hours and stale or soggy food. We go to Myrtle Beach. It's 6 hours, Janet?
6.5.
6.5 hours? And this is nasty after 6.5 hours when your food's sitting on the floor. So you got it right here. Take yourself a fun noodle, slice it, cut them things, and you're all done. Anyway, that's our tip of the day for your refrigerator. This is Dean, and it's the RV Scene with Janet and Dean. Thanks for watching.